Letto Zip Bed. Do you also hate making the bed? Good for you. It's a soulless activity that is neither fun nor life-affirming. As you can tell, I'm not a fan either. That's why I think this Letto Zip Bed is one of the greatest bedroom inventions ever. Created by Italian outfit Florida Furniture, the clever bunk is designed to let you skip folding the sheets while leaving your sleeping area looking clean. How can that happen? By having a zip-up dress that covers the entire surface of the mattress. When guests accidentally stumble in a room, they'll have no idea it is inhabited by lazy people. Zippers run along the entire edge of the bed, where you can attach a completely detachable cover that can also double as an extra blanket. We have no idea about pricing, but you can learn more about it from the Florida Furniture website. Bookstore-Themed Hostel. Some people love books, while others get put to sleep by them. Book and Bed Tokyo, a bookstore-themed hotel located on the 7th floor of a high-rise in Tokyo's Ikebukuro neighborhood, is perfect for both. Designed by Makoto Tanijiri and Yoshida, it promises to be the best place to curl up with a good book and fall asleep. The compact compartment measures 80.7 by 33.5 inches, and the standard is 80.7 by 50.8 inches. The price per evening can be $32 US to $50, depending on the size of the accommodations. On opening day, there will be 1,700 English and Japanese language books available, but the hotel plans to eventually expand its library to 3,000. Kotatsu heated tables. Lounging in your bed is quite difficult when you also have to do stuff. Eating as well as working at your laptop while you're sitting comfortably and warm under your blanket is not that easy in your bed. Luckily, Japan has an innovative alternative, the Kotatsu heated tables. As you can see, the system is very clever, offering you the possibility to sit on your sofa, be warm and comfortably work or lounge all at the same time. The system is composed of a low wooden table frame covered by a futon or heavy blanket, upon which a tabletop sits. The electric heater is positioned underneath it. Woodieful Chair. With the firm belief that one should never limit their potential to only one function, the Woodieful Chair offers more than a seating option. Designed to be used in multiple scenarios and rooms, it can be adapted to any living space. The Woodieful Chair came to life as a chair, but it is meant to be played with. It can be flipped into a table, a nightstand, a shelf, or a stool. The basic, rough square shape is softened by rounded compartments, while slots for reading materials have been added to meet function and enliven the final product. It is made from high-quality beechwood, which has been selected for its durability and resistance, bringing warmth and sophistication to every room. Flop Armchair. How about saving some space in your home for your sleeping arrangements? The solution featured here is also good if you just want to have an extra bed for when someone comes to visit. Named Flop and upholstered in 100% wool, the comfy armchair can actually become a bed with a few easy moves. Elena Sidorova, a designer from Russia, has made this awesome piece of furniture. The mattress and the pillow are hidden in a compartment when not in use. All you have to do in order to go to sleep comfortably is fold out the armchair and relax. Boulon Blanc Table. This stylish, transformable coffee table by Boulon Blanc transforms itself into a dining table or workspace. Grab the tabletop by the edge and lift. The legs immediately spring up just to the right height for eating or using a laptop. And just as quickly, you can pull a small little handle with your fingers, rotate the top, and it squats back down into a coffee table. Nifty. Plus, it's light enough for one person to operate and move around so that you can plop it anywhere you like in all that space you now have. Orwell Cabin Bed. Remember that time during your childhood when you used to build tents or forts out of the bed or sofa? If you do, you definitely had a typical childhood. Also, this will probably trigger more memories for you. The Orwell sofa is the grown-up version of a homemade fortress. It was developed by Barcelona-based designers Alvaro Gula and Pablo Figuera as a multifunctional piece of furniture. You can use it as a sofa, a daybed, a bed, or even a private cabin. When in need of more privacy, you can just let the curtains drop and your fortress of solitude will be ready. Kodama Hammock Sofa. Geometry and art merge beautifully in this next piece, which is pure genius. The Kodama Zome is actually more like a hanging sofa. Designed by engineer Richie Duncan, the piece is an outdoor hammock, but stronger and more reliable. The name comes from the geometrical structure called zome, which combines the feature of a dome with those of a polygon. The Kodama Zone was created in order to suspend above the ground and for recreational use. As you can see in the video, the Kodama Zone can be used for relaxation but also be the perfect swing for children, as they can feel safe inside without the fear of falling off the swing. The Giant Birdsnest. Everyone has a favorite spot in their room where they sit when relaxing or meditating. This favorite spot is usually a comfortable chair, pillow, or beanie bag and can be moved from one place to another. Creating functional and comfortable furniture is among the priorities of product designers, and this next creation might be the coziest one ever. It's a huge chair, resembling a bird's nest. The bottom of this piece is the nest, and the large spheres inside give the impression of eggs, but instead, they are the most comfortable pillows ever. As this chair is pretty large, one is designed especially for large and airy spaces, so it doesn't make the room look crowded. If you are looking for an awesome and very contemporary design piece, not to mention uber comfortable, these bird's nests would be the best choice out there. Fold-out microbar. Do you want a new experience while having a drink or chatting with somebody? This may sound like something from the future, but it's actually about design and how it can improve your life. The quad microbar is made in a way in which you can socialize or work while standing or sitting. With the idea that seats are often consuming space and not even being used, the round bar table has a simple solution. Stools that can be folded out of the bar are just brilliant. The 30-inch tabletop is the only element you can see at first, but the whole QMB can be instantly opened up to make room for 2 or 4 persons sitting. Each seat can be folded out regardless of the other seats and pushed back when not in need, making the packing up process fast and simple. That's a piece of furniture that will surely improve both your interior design and your lifestyle.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.